All right. Let me get where we can see everything. This would be the way it was hanging, way it would hang. That's finished product right there. I still have to put the pins in it, and I'll show how that goes. But this is the finished product. A single panel, a single width, and it's actually a pair. This is what the backside looks like. All the work we did. All the way we cut the lining, we cut the fabric, we put in the buckram, the header, the side hems, and now we're almost finished. Okay, the last thing to do is we have to put drapery pins right there. So there'll be one in each pleat. Right there in each pleat. And I don't know if they want one here, but I'm going to give them one. If they don't want it, they can take it out. Sometimes they want them, sometimes they don't, on the side hems. Alright, so this drape is all but finished. And I'll bring you along and and I'll show you how we pin them. And again, this is totally something different. Inverted pleat. I'm proud of this drape. It's going to look nice. It'll look like that all the way down when it's hung. Right now I'm not going to worry about it. We have to fold it different than this, and then the installer will dress it out when he puts it up wherever it goes. I've enjoyed making it. I hope I never hear from it or see it again. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I'm going to pin the drape and sew the corners, and this drape will be ready to go out the door. We might put an iron on it here and there, but we're actually have been informed or instructed not to iron this drape. They want it not to have sharp corners, so we'll see how that goes. But in the meantime, everything else will be done and be ready to go out the door in the morning. Oh, hang on, I gotta find out what the pin set is. What's the pin set?
1 3/4.
1 3/4?
Yep.
Talk about pin set. This pin set is actually 1 3/4. 1 inch and 3/4 of an inch. 1 3/4 of an inch. So what I do is I put my little finger right there. Right on the 1 3/4, and then I can see the center right there. And I put a mark and a mark. And since this is an inverted pleat and it's kind of particular where it goes, I'm making my marks real faint. Buckram. Alright, now this is something that we supply. Let's get some out here. Then you go find your little dot. Then we're going to talk about the pin set while I'm doing this. Some shops or some designers, your pin set will actually be an estate. They'll give it, instead of giving it to you in inches, they'll give it to you as an estate rod, ceiling mount, decorative rod, might be rings that it hangs from. And they'll have, like, you know, on your ruler, you'll be marking a state rod, ceiling mount, I don't know, there's 2 or 3 of them, but I really like this decorator because she gives it to us in inches, and that way there's no mistake. Hello.
G'day.
Alright, there you have it. All nice and pinned. And it's going to be a beautiful drape. It is. It's going to be a beautiful drape. Alright, the only thing left is sewing pleat, or sewing my corners. And that's done by hand. This drape, remember, we put chain weight in, so I don't have to put weight in the corners. But some drapes gets weight just in the corners and on the seams. But we'll go over that with a drape that has that in its instructions. Okay, everybody does stuff, I guess, their own way. This is how I've been doing it forever and ever. I'm going to try to let you watch me. I don't know if you can see it or not. Maybe you can. This is my blind stitch right here where it ends. So I come right here to the end. Just catch a little stitch right there. And I just pull it all the way through. With one more stitch. About to pull my thread out of the needle. Look at that. Alright, now let's get back to work. Then I like to come through one more time. And take this, go round, 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 round. Okay, good. Now then, a little awkward here trying to do it in front of the camera, but maybe you'll catch on. Put that tail under there. Then we just do this. Back before the days when they had a blind stitch, drapers would get their drapes to this point, take them in the house. You know, of course, they didn't have TV back then either much. And take them in the house and make the kids sit around and blind stitch the side hems and across the bottom hem. Little history there. I actually knew a family that did that. Every evening while they're watching TV, they'd all have a drape, be sewing on it. I have cousins in Florida that's in this business. My aunt, she was really a professional. She was How many years was Aunt Marvita in this business, Susie?
30.
30 years? She turned out some drapes. We've been in 25, ain't we? All together?
Yeah.
This drape has got a couple more stitches and it is done. On the ends here, I kind of like to make sure that center piece that's folded in. See how I'm doing that? I want to make sure that pulls in there nice and covers up that corner right there. So this is just going to be like a whip stitch all the way across. All right, there you have it. One more corner, and this drape will be done. All right, well, that's the end of these drapes. They'll go to Albuquerque tomorrow and get hung in somebody's really nice house, hopefully. Most likely, these will be a window treatment on both sides of one window. Each pair of these, there's another pair over there. We got to finish those out tonight. And so most likely these will be stationary on each side of a window with some sort of blind or something in the middle. So I hope the customers that these are for are happy with them. We put a lot of effort into them, and I put a lot of effort in the video on them for you guys. So hopefully I think it's a job well done. Hopefully everybody liked it. Thanks for watching. Sewing Side Hustle. See ya.